Dear students, today also we will discuss some questions related with the relation function. Actually, generally I used to say in mathematics, practice makes a man perfect. Without the practice, it is very difficult to get success. That is why I am discussing more and more questions related with this topic. On the first day, in the first video, I discussed the definition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. In the second video, I discussed the questions related with the relation and function, so that you will understand how you will prove that the relation is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation you can prove only when if you understand reflexive relation, symmetric relation as well as transitive relation. Even though if the universal relation is given, that from this universal relation you can generate the different types of questions, so many questions or a number of questions which may be reflexive but not symmetric and transitive, which may be symmetric but may not be reflexive and transitive. The relation may be transitive but may not be reflexive and symmetric. Similar kind of question just I have given over here, which generally asked so many times this question asked in the CBSE examination, which is from your NCERT book. Now let us take the solution of this question. Here it is given the relation on the set. Earlier I have taken the 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers only in the set. But here up to 4, we extended up to 4. Relation is given. No need to form the relation. Relation is given. And you will have to prove this relation is reflexive, transitive, but it is not symmetric. Let us take, dear student, try to understand, concentrate over here. Let me prove first of all reflexive. For reflexive, see over here reflexive, because you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in the given set. This is the set which earlier we denoted it by A. Here also we will denote it by A. That is, in the question also I am just going to mention this is suppose set A. Or here also you can take that this set is A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But I will put the numbers are here 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why the set, this relation will be reflexive relation if 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4 belongs to R. See whether these are these ordered pairs or this condition is given over here or not. 1, 1 is here, 1, 1 is here, 2, 2 is here, 3, 3 is here, 4, 4 is here. Means you can write it in this way. 1, 1 belongs to R. Similarly, if you want to write all, you can write, otherwise 2, 2 belongs to R, 3, 3 belongs to R, or 4, 4 also belongs to R. That is why we can say that this relation is reflexive for all. That is why I mentioned it by A, so that easily you can write 1, 2, 3 and 4 belongs to A. I think you understand this condition. Earlier I told you by drawing the diagram, easily you may understand by drawing the diagram, because all the elements will lie on the diagram. So R is reflexive. Very simple to prove that relation is reflexive. Now in the second case, this was the first case, now it is the second case, symmetric. Symmetric. In the easiest way earlier, I discussed the symmetric relation. Now let me take the relation, whether it may be symmetric or not. You see, let me take 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to R, it is given over here, but implies that 2, 1 also must belongs to R. Then it will 1 2 belongs to R, but 2 1 is not there in this relation. You see, anywhere 2 1 is not given. If 2 1 is not given, then you can say that it does not belong to R. But you must have to write earlier on. I told you you must have to write all the steps. 1 2 3 4 belongs to A. 1 2 belongs to R implies that 2 1 does not belong to R. That is why this relation R is not symmetric. Therefore, R is not symmetric. This is not a symmetric relation. Now, in the third case, let me take transitive relation. Transitive, let me take. All of you see, let us prove whether it is a transitive relation or not. See, let me take 1 3. 1 3 belongs to R. And next we take 1 3. 3 2 belongs to R. 3 2 belongs to R. Implies that I told you to prove the transitive relation. You see, 1 3 belongs to R. 3 2 because 3 is here. You see, the next order pair must start from 3. You must have to concentrate over here. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to prove that whether it may be the symmetric or not. 1 3 belongs to R. 3 2 it ends at 3. Start the next order pair from 3. 3 2 belongs to R. Both are here. 1 3 3 2. Then what will happen? First and last number you will have to take from these two ordered pairs. 1 and 2. 1 2 belongs to R. Okay. You see, 1 2 also belongs to R. That is why for all 1 2 3 4 belongs to R. And you can say that therefore R is transitive. R is transitive relation. R is transitive relation. My dear student, I think you understand the solution of this question. Here it is given. It is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. The same thing we have proved over here. And similarly, you can take the other questions. Let me take some more questions from your NCERT book, because generally the questions, important questions are given in the NCERT book, and that is why today I am discussing the questions which are given in the NCERT book. And let us take the next question. And the similar kind of set I discussed earlier. Set I will take same thing. Same thing. 1 2 3 elements are there in the set. You will have to do. Let me write it. The question over here, so that you will see the question and you will understand properly the solution of the question. Because actually, I understand and practically I have seen it is very difficult for the student to understand the solution of the question online. If the classes student attends offline, then it is easy to understand the solution of the question. But I am trying to solve the question in such a way so that at least the student understand the solution of the question. So that next question I am taking, so that the relation I am taking this question from the NCERT book. Relation R in the set I am taking which earlier I have taken 1 2 3. Similar kind of set I discussed a number of times with you, given by relation. I am just going to write the relation over here. 1 2 1. It is symmetric. See, dear student, because that is a very important question. Symmetric, but same kind of example yesterday I generated, but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, dear student, you see the solution of this question. Let me see. First of all, already I explained this question in the previous videos. Similar kind of question, because generally the questions are correlated to each other. That is why you see, first of all I am taking reflection. But relation will be this one. Only two order pairs are given. Only these elements are given, two elements are given over here, and try to understand whether it will be symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. If we want to prove that the relation is reflexive, then 1 1 2 2 3 3 must belong to R. 1 1 is not here. That is why it does not belong to R. 1 1 is not here. That is why 2 2 also does not belong to R, and 3 3 also does not belong to R. So for all 1 2 3 belongs to A. As I told you already, you can take it as A. That is why the given relation is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay, second case, I am going to take symmetric. Let me take whether the relation is symmetric or not. Symmetric. For the symmetric, 1 2 belongs to R, and implies that 1 2 is 2 1 also belongs to R. You see, 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 also belongs to R. For all 1 2 belongs to A. Here student 1 2 belongs to R. It is given over here. 2 1 also belongs to R. It is given over here. That is why this given relation is symmetric. So R is symmetric. R is symmetric relation. In the third case, let me do transitive. Very simple example. Generally, such question comes against 2 marks in the CBSE. Transitive. You see, 1 2. Let me take 1 2 belongs to R, and 2 1 belongs to R. Then what should happen? I told you 1 2 in continuation 2 1 belongs to R. Then 1 1 must also belongs to R. Then it will be transitive, otherwise not. You see whether it is given or not. 1 1 is here, 1 1 is not here. That is why 1 1 does not belongs to R. Condition is there for all 1 2 belongs to. Dear student, this thing R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Very simple question, and all of you understood the solution of this question. Very simple, in the simplest way I explain over here. The given relation is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. I think you will solve this question. If such question comes in the examination, ask in the CBSE examination, definitely you will solve. Let me take one more question from the CBSE. So from NCERT. Let me take one more question, which is simple and generally asked for 1 mark. 1 mark question I am just going to give. 1 mark question. Let me take, dear student, see, 1 mark question. That is next question. Let R be the relation. Very important question. Let R be the relation. R be the relation in the set. Set, you see, in the set n. N is natural number. In the set n, natural number. Given by. Try to understand. Because it is 1 mark question and generally students commit the mistake. Given by R is equal to You see AB is given over here such that A is equal to B minus 2. I told you that is a very important question. Sometimes it may ask for against 1 mark and sometimes for 2 marks. Options are given over there. Choose the correct option. Choose correct option. Correct answer. Choose the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? First of all, 2, 4 belongs to R. You see, relation is given. Try to understand. B part. Its B part will be 3 and 8 belongs to R. And C part 6, 8 belongs to R. And B part will be 8, 7 belongs to R. Dear student, let me discuss all the parts so that you will understand the question. Not only this question, also yourself can generate the questions under this condition. You see AB, that is the order to this relation. You will have to write the elements of number A and B, then only you can form the relation. And condition is given, A will be equal to B minus 2. One more condition is given, B is greater than 6. B की वैल्यू 6 से कम ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, मीन्स B is greater than 6. Okay, solution. First, for A part, let me take the A part. A is equal to, in this relation, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2. Let me calculate. See, A is equal to 2. Whether Y is in this condition, B must be greater than 6. That is why this condition is not applicable. Limit. Whenever there will be B greater than 6, B, that in this case, in the B case, you see B with 3 and 8. Here you see A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 8. That is greater than 6. It follows this condition. Okay? Let me find out the value of, if B is equal to 6, then if B is equal to 6, then what will happen? A is equal to, you apply this condition, B minus 2. And B is how much? 8. 8 minus 2. That will be equal to 6. That is why B is also not correct. This is not the correct relation. Here it is given, choose the correct answer. That is why it is also not the correct answer. B is equal to 8. We have taken B is equal to 8. You take B is equal to 8. B is equal to 8. I substituted B is equal to 8. And then 8 minus 2, that will be 6. But here is 3. Next option, let me take C option. In the C option, it is given 6 and 8. Okay. Here B is given 8. Using the condition, this is given over here. Find out the value of A, B minus 2. B, that is 8 minus 2, that will be 6. Okay, it is correct because A is equal to 6. This option is correct. Now you can say that 6, 8 belongs to R is the correct answer. Is the correct answer. Correct answer. Like that also you can form the relations also. In any way, in any form the question will be asked in the examination. This question my dear student may come for 1 mark or 2 marks in the CBSE examination. Some more questions we will discuss in the next video, and I think these questions you will understand easily, and such type of questions generally asked in the examination. And concentrate over your study because your theory examination is very near. Don't get afraid. एक चीज याद रखनी है. क्या चीज याद रखनी है? मैं खुश हूं एग्जामिनेशन की तैयारी करके, और मैं खुश हूं और मुझे हर स्टेप पर सफलता मिलेगी. आप कभी असफल नहीं हो सकते. मैं खुश हूं, मुझे सफलता मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. यदि ये मंत्र आपने याद रखा तो मैं समझता हूं आपको सफलता मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.